printed file. Because the file has the model has a slope, so we need to this fan blow the model to dry, to make the model dry fast. So that the model is printed out perfect, and we need to make sure this motor turn clockwise. If your motor turned turn opposite direction, you need to adjust these wires, red and blue, a group wise, red, blue, or group wise. You can change red and blue position, or change the green and black group wise. You can change these two wires or these two wires to change the motor turn directions.